Hard-boiled eggs. Can you believe it? We love our eggs. We love our hard-boiled eggs. We love egg salad, right? Oh my goodness. We love to put it in the chicken salad. We put it in everything. Chef salad, okay? All those things are wonderful. But how do you boil a hard-boiled egg? We're going to show you. In fact, we're going to show you two different ways to do it. I mean, two different temperatures. Because we're going to boil the eggs for 12 minutes and 14 minutes and just show you the difference of whatever you like. Or maybe you like it a little bit more harder so that you can make a deviled egg, right? Okay, we're gonna do it. Hit us in the comments, let us know what you think about boiling eggs. Also, definitely subscribe, hit the like button. I'm gonna put the recipe down below. You can check it out. And we're gonna just start cooking some eggs. So I'm Chef Don McMillan, time to cook some eggs. I brought my water up to a boil, a nice boil. It's 212 degrees. Slowly put in the eggs. Don't just drop them in. Just slowly let them go in there. Let them fall in there. Get happy. And we're going to set our timer. And we're going to set our timer for 12 minutes and 14 minutes. And then we're going to show you the difference of the two eggs, the two temperatures. Okay? So let me go ahead and set the timer now. Okay, 12-minute buzzer. Into the ice water it goes to cool down. And we're gonna let this one cook another 2 minutes. All right, the buzzer went off. I'm taking out the one now that was in there for 12 minutes, and I'm taking out the one that's in here for 14 minutes. I'm gonna put that in the ice water, let it cool down a little bit, and then we're gonna crack the egg. So just stick around, we're gonna show you how we're gonna do that. It's a neat way to do it. I'm gonna put the hard-boiled eggs on some avocado toast. Doesn't that sound good? That's the newest breakfast craze, you know, avocado toast. Well, let's hook it up because I've got an avocado. And what I'm going to do is put the point of the avocado right down to where the seed, and just rotate the avocado on your knife, just like this, until you make a complete circle, and then twist opposite directions. And there's our avocado. Take your spoon and then just go around the edge of the avocado, just kind of pushes the skin away from the pulp, and then just go into the center now. Get a little bit more down in there. All right. And then after you do that, scoop it out. Place it down like that. Take your knife and make slices. And we're going to take the avocado and just kind of arrange it right there on our toast. So good, so good. Let me get a couple more pieces on there. One here, one there. And let's see. Take this one out and scoop it again. Slices, yes, lots of wonderful avocado. We're going to be generous today because we're just feeling in that direction. All right, let's do this. We'll make a little bit of a decoration there. I'm going to clean up here just a mite. And next we're going to show you how we peel an egg. I've got a glass, and this is the 12-minute hard-boiled egg, okay? So we place the 12-minute hard-boiled right into the glass like that, and then we're just going to shake it up. Okay, and then we'll just peel away the shell, just that easy. How about that? Was that not easy? In case you missed it, I'll do it again when we do the 14-minute egg. But anyway, we'll place this one over here, and let's do, now this is the egg that we've had for 14 minutes, 2 minutes longer, okay? easy that was. I'm just going to rinse it just to be sure I don't have any egg shards on there. And this is the egg for 14 minutes. Now comes the time we're going to just see what it looks like, okay? "12 minutes, 14 minutes. You decide which one. This one's a little bit softer in the middle, but I believe that's going to make just a delightful sandwich. I'm going to take my avocado and just push it down. Spread it on there. Yes. Avocado toast at its finest. Get it on there. Push it down, down, down. Yes. And we'll arrange our eggs as such. Remember to put them into the water to stop them from cooking. Otherwise, you'll have the wrong effect. It'll be overcooked, and it doesn't take that long. It's still cooking when you take it out of the water. Now, a little bit of cheese. We'll shave some Parmesan cheese on our dish. Look at that. And I have some chives. Let's do a little chives. A little freshly black pepper. Yes. And of course some salt. A little bit. There it is. Now, that is a meal. And we did it, didn't we? We cooked the eggs. We show you how to cook hard-boiled eggs just perfectly. You decide what kind of a texture you want. I'm thinking that the one is for 14 minutes would be perfect for hard-boiled eggs that you want to make a deviled egg out. I think the one that for sandwiches and such, 12 minutes is very good. Go with that. In any event, we have the recipes below. You're going to have to sign up. We'd love to have you part of our company, part of our group. Definitely, you want to subscribe. You want to get our recipes. You want to see what we're coming up with next, because we've got so much to share. Leave your comments. Tell me what you think about it. Ask me a question. Love to do that. Hit the like button. We're just here to have a great time. And remember that everything we do is absolutely simple and very delicious.